Hello. Lesson plan 27 is move it, shake it, animate. In this lesson, the first teacher-led activity is implementing animations. Let's start. First, I am opening the folder where I am going to save the file. In this, I am creating one .html file. I have named the file as animation.html. Let's create a basic HTML document. In this, I have put heading 1 and some text in the paragraph. Done. An animation lets an element gradually change from one style to another. You can change as many CSS properties you want, as many times as you want. To use CSS animation, you must first specify some keyframes for the animation. Keyframes hold what styles the element will have at certain times. For this, first we have to create a div container. This div container we have to include inside the style tag in the head section to specify the various styles of the text which we will put in the div tag inside the body. So first write div space open curly brackets. In this I have specified the width 100 pixels. Height 100 pixels, and background color red. Now to include animation we have to give the animation name, so here I am naming it as example. Also mention the duration of the animation. I have taken 5s. Note that the animation duration property defines how long an animation should take to complete. If the animation duration property is not specified, no animation will occur, because the default value is 0 seconds. Next, let's specify the animation iteration count. This property specifies the number of times an animation should run. This will run the animation 3 times before it stops. We can also specify the animation direction. The animation direction property specifies whether an animation should be played forwards, backwards, or in alternate cycles. This animation is played as normal, which is forward in direction. This is the default. Once this is done, we have to create a keyframe to define the animation. After the rate keyframes, the name of the animation should come, which is example. Then in curly brackets we have to specify the style changes. I wanted to gradually change the background color of the div element from red to yellow. For this, type from and in the curly bracket specify the background color. Here I have taken red. The type to. And in the curly bracket specify the end color. Done. Now let's go in the body and include the div tag. This is how it looks. Now if I want to move this div box from left to right, I have to specify the position in the div container. I have selected the position value as relative. Then inside the keyframe, just like background color, we need to specify the left position of the box inside from and similarly the final position of the box inside too. So I have taken it from 0 pixels to 200 pixels. This is the result. Similarly, we can move the box from top to bottom. So for that we have to take the top element and specify the pixels. Like this. You can also put the left and top element together to get the desired movement of the box. It is also possible to use %. By using %, you can add as many style changes as you like. So in the place of from I can take 0%, and in the place of to I can take 100%. Here I am dividing the timeline into halves. That is 0% to 50% and then from 50% to 100% with the different colors and different positions. This box is now moving from left to right and then top to bottom. The box which we have generated is square in shape. We can change its shape by just changing the radius of the corners. For that we have to take the element border radius and specify the value. I have taken 25 pixels. This will take the radius of 25 pixels from the corners and curve all the corners. Like this. You can also keep the radius of the opposite corners the same. Here I am taking 50 pixels for the top left and bottom right corner. And 20 pixels for other two corners. This is how the shape looks. Like this you can change various elements to get the desired output. With this we have completed teacher-led activity 27.1. Thank you.